The All Parties Hurriyat conference has said that India has snatched every right from the Kashmiris, including the right to speech in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the leadership in a statement issued in Srinagar said Modi-led regime is not even allowing the people of Jammu and Kashmir to assemble and speak their mind freely. New Delhi has gauged the media, while journalists are harassed and threatened with dire consequences by the Indian occupation forces. The leadership said the hidden agenda of Hindutva organizations under the umbrella of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh is to thrust Hindu fascism in the Muslim-majority Jammu and Kashmir. In order to realize the dream of transforming the Muslim-majority Jammu and Kashmir into a Hindu-majority area, the Modi regime has approved construction of more Hindu settlements in the name of transit accommodations for 6,000 migrant Pandit employees. This was revealed by the Indian Minister of State for Home Nityanand Rai in Rajya Sabha, the upper house of Indian Parliament. He disclosed that Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir land measuring 2,359 hectares was acquired for settlements during the past 3 years. The act is aimed at changing the demography of the territory. Several structures, including school buildings, were washed away in flash floods triggered by heavy rain in mountainous Doda district. Meanwhile, illegally detained Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front chairman Mohammad Yasin Malik has threatened to go on hunger strike in Delhi's Tihar jail from tomorrow if his demands for fair trial and physical presence in the courts were not met. Yasin Malik's 10-year-old daughter Razia Sultana, in a passionate video message, pleaded her father not to do so and expressed the hope that the world would listen to her cry and impress upon India to release him immediately. In blatant mockery of justice, the Indian Apex Court has stayed the proceedings against 30 Indian Army men who killed 14 civilians in the disturbed area of Nagaland in December last year.